brakes are pretty good. Somehow the rear is not as sharp as the front. Many people do not use the rear, but when you are on this, when you tend to go little bonkers on bikes like this, you will use the rear because you would want to slide the rear, and if the rear doesn't grip, it doesn't give a very good feeling. Okie dokie, we're riding the Versys 650. The first time ever. I've never ridden a 650 Versys before. I came here to look out the Z650 RS. The lady at the service center, sorry, the dealership Nandini, she convinced me to try the Versys. I said, okay, let me try it. After all, this is Bullu's favorite bike, isn't it? Oh man, this is amazing. Wow. This is incredible. The engine is so friendly. There's all the torque that you want is there at the low end. You don't need to worry about it. You don't have to, rev it high the way I have to do it on my Ninja. Nothing of that sort of thing is required. These auto guys, they will never change. Nothing in the world can change them. But yeah, that way we tested the brakes, isn't it? Yeah, the brakes were pretty good. The rear wheel did slide. I do not know if it comes with a dual channel ABS, and if so, if the rear ABS is disabled or something. But yeah, I did feel the rear wheel moving. The posture on this thing is amazing. You sit like, as if you would sit on SUV. This is a proper adventure motorcycle again. Not adventure, I would say it's like a long distance touring motorcycle. So you sit like a proper, pretty tall, pretty high on the seat on the motorcycle, and you have a nice commanding view. These people, look at them. Oh, amazing. And the suspension is so soft. It's so cushy. Is there a word called cushy? I don't know. I mean, I'm running out of words riding this thing. I'm so overjoyed, I would say, that I'm totally running out of words. Let's take a quick left turn here. Second gear, 15 kilometers per hour. Open the throttle, no problem. The bike just responds. Yeah, so the difference between this and this is slightly more expensive because of the long travel suspension and all of this enormous bodywork that this motorcycle comes with. That makes it slightly more expensive. But if you have the money to buy this, this is amazing. You should consider it if you have the money to buy this thing. The brakes are pretty good. Somehow the rear is not as sharp as the front. Many people do not use the rear, but when you are on this, when you tend to go little bonkers on bikes like this, you will use the rear because you would want to slide the rear, and if the rear doesn't grip, it doesn't give a very good feeling. Let's see how a U-turn would be on this, that too especially in the city traffic, right? That would give us a clear understanding of how easy it is to live with, especially in the city traffic. So the seat is not too tall. I am on my toes, definitely, yes, because I'm vertically challenged at 5 feet 9 and 32.5 inch inseam. I am vertically challenged for adventure motorcycles, for sure. But yeah, as you saw, taking U-turn was easy. Let's try it here in this small lane. Let this guy go, and I'll try it on the right because right is usually not the strongest side of mine to take U-turns and stuff. And yeah, the turning radius is little bigger than I would expect, slightly longer, the massive wheelbase. But yeah, moving the bike backwards when you're sitting on it, it's not as complicated because I had ridden my friend Yokes's Z800. That was heavy, that was a monster, and taking a U-turn or pulling the bike backwards was extremely challenging. What the hell are you doing, doctor? an amazing feeling, man, to ride this thing. What a brilliant product. Yeah, so it says I can go here. Let's take a quick turn. I have no clue what should I talk about, because this was not planned. I was not prepared. Should I be talking about the specs of that 650cc parallel twin liquid cooled dual overhead cam and all of that? You can jump on this bike, you can go absolutely bonkers. It is heavy, definitely, yes, it is on the heavier side, but it doesn't feel as heavy when you're riding it. I don't know, maybe on bad road or off road it might feel a little bit heavy, but not here. We are back at the dealership. I'm sorry guys if I didn't speak much, but then yeah, I'm overjoyed.